ka high level committee HLC Brathau ka sarkar jala banyet bat pulibnia alo ka sweeper colony ka bodan Them Ïewmawlong Hadien snem tam kalayo aiti ka kaiphod sa sarkar usembut mitrang ba ka jala ba perston tensong long ba ka kanhon menteri kan sasim ya ka kaiphod banya tai bnya long ba ka sarkar jala kan pulibnia thek pathik ekjing ajimut chong ka HLC kumon sikudo ya ka committee Brathau ka sautrik jilio ar jagar pra Hadien ka jeknan kablami na ka jinghuri hura bot ka jingdawan penkria ikbrio ki basa na ka te ka chaka bat be ikbashong be an.
We have already submitted the HLC report today to our Honorable Chief Minister. So let us see after submitting the report. Again, the next steps is government will sit down, cabinet will sit down, and we will go point by point, line by line. So let us wait till the cabinet sits. Because right now I can't say anything because I'm the chairman of the high-level committee. So I'm just informing you that we already completed our task and today we already submitted the report. That can be done only when the cabinet discuss all the details. It is the duty of the government to brief or to detail all of you once the decision is taken. Because see, by convention, when we submit a report means what? We just submit a report. I have nothing to say anything, then government will take detailed discussion on this, and ultimately when they take a decision, they will brief the press, and then we will come out in a proper manner how to inform the citizens of the state.